spotlight. Congratulations again. You also have been so consistent, and from the day one, I see that you are so much dedicated to doing this, and it's like whatever I say, you are doing it.
Yeah, that's right.
So,
I'm just
so thank you
following
so
you.
much for trusting. Yes, yes. Thank you so much for trusting. So let us know, a little about you. How, what's your background? थोड़ा अपने बारे में बताइए and tell us what was the issue and what are the benefits you have got till now. Yes, over
Okay.
to you, Vandana.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the award. Thank you. Okay. For me, yeah. Actually, I'm a working woman. I'm working with a multinational company from the last 30 years now. So it's been a long, I'm working. So from the beginning, I'm a very fearful person. Always like I get scared very easily, very fearful. छोटी छोटी बातों को लेकर परेशान होना, and उसकी वजह से my physical health was very much affected. My BP was getting raised, so I was little worried about that. My mom had undergone surgery, open heart surgery. So उसके बाद से मेरा concern और ज़्यादा हो गया. तो मुझे लगा कि I am the next in the row. I will be having the same thing and everything. और ज़्यादा घबराहट सी रहने लग गई, anxiety, panic. So that's the reason I joined you. And I just want to get rid of any type of medication, and I just don't want to have any medicine. So
Any
that's the
medicine.
reason I joined. I want to lead a healthy life without any medicine and anything. So that motivated me. So when I joined you, your way of talking to us, and you were easily approachable. Like whenever we want, we can contact you, we can ask you, you can guide us. That's the main thing. I just want a person with whom I can go, I can
Yeah.
just walk. So that's
Wow.
the reason I joined you, and I really admire you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much for that. Yeah, thank you so much. And I think it's just the beginning of my journey.
Yeah.
So I have overcome some of my health issues. Like I have normalized my BP also. Sometimes it gets spike up, but yes, I'm just without any medicine, I'm just controlling it.
Wow.
And the fear thing is also I am पहले छोटी छोटी बातों पे रोना आ जाता था, रो पड़ती थी, वो अब थोड़ा 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 धीरे धीरे वो चीजें ठीक हो
जा
रही
रही
हैं.
हैं.
I'm yeah.
Wow.
So I know it will take some time, but yes, I'm enjoying it. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. And
Wow.
the main thing is like consistency is the main thing.
Hmm.
I feel very happy to, do all these things, yoga, pranayam, meditation. I just look forward that मुझे सुबह उठना है, मुझे ये सब करना है without any आलस, any susti. I just wake up every morning. So that's
Yes.
the main change in me. Otherwise, initially, उठने की problem होती
Hmm.
थी, नहीं उठना, सुस्ती आ गई, ये वो. But
Seriously, you now message me around like you're done with your meditation and everything, like in the morning
yeah,
itself. Early
yeah, I
morning
know.
6 o'clock का आपका मैसेज होता है कि सारा कुछ हो चुका है
हो
ऑलरेडी.
चुका है. Yes, I don't know how.
Wow,
कैसे हो
great,
रहा है,
great.
but हो रहा है. And I
Wow,
just want to continue with this. That's
right.
the motive of my life now. And I motivate, मैं चाहती हूँ औरों को भी इस चीज के लिए मोटिवेट करूं. So
Yes, yes.
पहले अपने में change लाना, then I can motivate others, so that
True,
others
true,
can
true.
see me that I have changed in myself a lot. I have become a emotionally strong person now. Then I
Right.
can tell them, yes, this is my journey. I just want to tell them this. Thank you so much for that.
Wonderful, wonderful, Vandana. In very short time, you have achieved. See, emotions पे कंट्रोल लाना या फिर उनको बैलेंस करना, स्टेबल करना, इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि हमने कुछ प्राणायाम किया तो हो जाएगा एंड ऑल, इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल thing to do, right? But you have been consistent, and that 9 missions, probably you have done all those assignments and worksheets you have taken, and that has been a very good thing कि हम आपने वो consistency उसमें लाई, and that you have got it, right? So I look forward to the journey further, and definitely you will be probably achieving more and more and more, right?
Yeah.
Chalo, thank you so much, Vandana. You have been very, very inspirational. And I want every one of you to again please unmute and say congratulations to Vandana. She's so sweet.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to Vandana ji.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to Vandana ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.